we can all come together and have fun and exist in these spaces however we want. There's no rules there. The only rule is that you are your authentic self, that you can exist in this space and embody the joy. My name's Raquel Phillips, and I am a visual artist, an educator, and an independent curator. When the viewer enters my section of the gallery, which is titled The Path to Candyland, the intent is initially to provide a big hug, to make people feel joy, escape. The mural is my conceptualization of Candyland, a theatrical space that the viewer can enter into, take a selfie in, get lost in the landscape. I wanted something striking to be in the space, to exist alongside the video, which is a quest video about Candyland. I decided to delegate the responsibility of the painting with the actual backdrop to Bird Reynolds, who's a local graffiti writer. I wanted his style to exist alongside with how I envisioned this. I had envisioned Candyland as this sort of pink pastel space that was really otherworldly, but also mimicked our world. I was introducing elements of the island of Puerto Rico and thinking about the Taíno symbols and the pride that exists, Puerto Rican history, which is initially, as Spanish comes in and colonizes, they also begin to exploit the land for sugarcane. And then when we gain our independence, the United States comes in and says, we're going to help you, and then exploits even more. I would like the viewers that come into this space to, of course, feel joy. I think that's primary. I think it's very easy to see. I think the aim in that, right? It's candy, it's fun. I also feel that any reaction to the work is important and of value. There is something about a work being done and put into a space that finishes the work, right? Other people's thoughts about the work are what completes it. I'll never be able to see as deeply into my work as, let's say, 10 people in the room will be able to. Those finishing thoughts are what bring it together for me. Like that's what I want. Like I want to hear what somebody else takes away versus what I want them to. I want people to exist in their full authenticity and feel safe doing it. Sharing with others, it having the space of pleasure by being in oneself and feeling safe and okay to do that. That's a driving factor behind my entire practice.